In today's video, you are going to learn with me how to make compelling scenes for your character so people will look longer, so you get more clients, or maybe you just want to have more followers. You just want to show that maybe your Zelda fan art, the way you see Link, the way you see a specific character from a game or series is the best way possible to see them. Blink, blink. So in this video, I need to talk with you about creating poses for your character and truly trying them out. Taking your time and saying, hey, this one look good, no, this one look good, oh, maybe yes. Hey friends, hey champs, hey anyone using my Discord, do you think this pose is good? Do you think this other thing is good? Try it out. So the number one thing that I can tell you is don't be trying only one pose, try multiple and ask for feedback. That's right, ask for feedback. Don't just endure all by yourself like, oh, I'm so tough, I'm going to do it all by myself, look at me, giga shed, move, dab, wow. No, I would like you to please be open into seeing other people's vision, because they may show to you something that you were not aware of, and just bringing this awareness to you, just bringing their vision to you, you are going to amplify the way you see things and how you can truly make compelling artwork, not only into your view but also into the viewer's view, into other people that you want to impress and show, hey, look nice, right? Hey, fantastic. After choosing a pose, what we need to focus right now is understanding where you want your viewer to look at your drawing. Maybe it's going to be the face, maybe it's going to be other parts. Blink, blink again. So we gotta truly pay attention into that. Do you want them looking mainly focused into the eyes, gorgeous eyes, or you want them to look at the biceps, or you want them to look at the boobs? Tell me, where do you want them to look? This is serious. Or maybe none of those. You're making a very creepy and horror artwork. You want them to look that there is a character in the background, there is the villain, and is trying to get the main protagonist like, haha, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna kill you, wah, something like that? Maybe. So the second tip from what I'm telling you here is understand where is going to be your focal point, and to understand that you gotta choose the placement that is going to receive a ton of light, a ton of shadows, a ton of contrast, because you want that place to be the number one part that people are going to look at. You don't want them to go like, nah, I'm not going to truly look at it that much. No, you want them looking there. You're gonna add strong colors, or you're gonna add strong values, aka bright light, dark shadows, and that's what I did in this painting. I wanted people to look mainly into what? Face and chest. So that's why there is the reds in the chest, there is the face with very big shadows around the neck. I wanted people to look there. And the clothing that this wolf dude is using, it's very whitish. It would not be this whitish, but I wanted to make it this whitish, and I can tell you why I wanted to make it so much whitish, because this way, this exactly way, we can get it even more attention, even more wow. Third tip, what I'm going to tell you right now is very important. I hope you're taking notes, and if not, just rewatch this video. You are free to rewatch as many times as necessary. Number 3 is your background gotta help your character's main image, not substitute them. I know you want to make an incredible background with all the details and all of the things going on in a castle and a burning volcano and whatever it is, but the truth is we cannot have all of that calling as much attention as the main protagonist. We should make it with lower saturation or lower contrast or lower anything you can think of that you're doing the character. You gotta be a little bit less, you gotta call less attention. I know your background is incredible, but you gotta hold that on into you are incredible, but you cannot be as much as the main character. You cannot be as much as what I truly want people to take a look at. Remember, drawing is about hierarchy, and you gotta want to truly follow the rules. Even if we're like, no, I want to do a mess, everything is calling, everything. No, we gotta follow if we want to tell a story. If you don't want to tell a story, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. But if you do want to follow a story, I truly recommend you doing that. Now, number 4. Is it 4? I hope it's 4. Number 4. After we talked about light, we talked about background, another tip that I can give to you is colors on purpose. All the colors used in this drawing, they were used on purpose. It was not by mistake, it was not by accident, it was not like, maybe this color, I don't know. No, since the start, I already thought to myself, I want strong bluish tones into my main character and the background to be warmish tones. And why is that? Why would I want those two opposites in the same composition? Because this way, oh champ, this way, I can create a fantastic contrast, reinforce even more the background secondary, reinforce even more people to wanna look at it and understand what is happening. And in this specific case, on purpose, I made light coming from above. Why? This looks like some kind of holy event that is happening, like wow, what is happening? Lights coming from above, whoa, something incredible is going on and I gotta know what it is. So that's what I wanted to do right here, and that's what I did. So whenever you are making a drawing, number 5 tip is take your time. I know you may need to rush because of a deadline. I know you may need to rush because you need to rush. You gotta pay bills, you have college, you have other stuff going on, you have family stuff, family matters to solve. But if you're running all the time, you are never truly letting your mind just stop and truly plan, truly make a strategy or think how to make progress in this even faster and even better. So any drawing that you're doing, truly from the bottom of my heart, champ, this is the tip that if you can only take one tip from this video, that's the one right here, right now. Please just go there and focus, just looking at your drawing, no crazy peer pressure, just looking at it and just let your imagination flow. Like, what if I did light coming from this way, but what if the main color was green? What if there was happening something funny in the background? What if the character was using not this color of clothing? What if it was using a different color of clothing? It's those very small what ifs that can help you a lot. So if you are an artist that self-doubt, self-gas yourself a lot, let's say, hey, my art's never going to get good, what if I make a huge mistake, what if I do this, just substitute the what ifs. Instead of going for a bad what if my art sucks forever and I'm not going to improve? What if it works? What if it happens that you improve? What if it happens that you are able to look for reference and get a good type of light for reference? What if your artwork becomes better? What if you understand even better, even if it's just one person, how clothing works, how muscles work, how making strong and very compelling poses work? I want you to take this what if to your heart. So when you are like 3 a.m. or midnight before going to sleep and thinking, hey, what if I always fail? Remember that, what if you do succeed? What if it's possible? What if it does happen good? You know? You deserve to also have the good side of the coin. You do. And I believe as a final tip, I don't even remember the number I am anymore. I'm so focused into talking about the topics, is don't be afraid to try things as effects. Don't be afraid to add fog. Don't be afraid to add little stars. Don't be afraid to add out of nowhere a butterfly, because this can add so much to make your compelling scene of a character much more wow, incredible. I want to see this even more. I want to learn this even more. This is very important, champs, so we can create that it's a whole new world that is a lot of things happening on. And in my case, I did smoke, I did fire, and I did some fog in the ambient, especially close to the upper area of the canvas. Some fog to just show some depth, like wow, important, incredible, poggers, wow. Champs, I hope you enjoyed this drawing, because I love doing this drawing. Any powerful pose, I swear, any powerful pose that I gotta do, I love it. I just love drawing characters when they show they are powerful, they are confident. I mean, that's just the stuff I love drawing. I love to pass confidence, give confidence to those that are seeing my art. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. All the love, all the peace. If you wanna learn to draw with me, link in the description for my art course. You're amazing, champ.